walking time.
No
Kami.
talking.
Sabi ng anak ko, no
Said
talking.
no talking.
I said, how could I say that no talking? I'm recording.
Said no talking.
Alright. No talking daw. Ayan. Walking kami. Yan si Mark. Ayan si David. Ayan ito yung alawa kong anak. Ayan. Yan. Let's go. Walking time. Ay. Oo. Walking time tayo. Tara. Walking time. Ganito kami mag-walking dito. Oo. Ngayon, lahat kami nag-walking. Oo. Kasi walking is the best exercise. Walking is the best exercise. Tara. Oo. Yan sila. Ako dito kailangan kong lakas. Ala, sige. Ala, sige. Ouch. No way.
You have to lose out the game. Now one more.
Try to hit my back. That's enough, okay? That's enough. No more.
One more.
Ow! He's trying to play around with me. Ouch!
Of your ball.
Ito talaga itong anak ko. Talaga pasaway. Minsan. Oo. Butin lang ngayon, hindi masyado yung malamig. Kaya namin mag-walking, guys. Oo. Walking time. Oo, alam nyo guys, pag makapag-walking ka, maganda sa katawan. Oo, totoo yan. Oo, ganda. Oo, di ba? Ang ganda ng kapaligiran. What happened to that leaves? Falling down, all of them? Yes.
I need help.
You need help? What kind of help?
That's true.
What happened?
The inside.
Inside? Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
The inside.
Okay, the
Y'all know
angels.
if y'all step on a crack, you break your grandmama's back.
No.
Grabe ka naman. Hindi naman, oh. Ikaw talaga, husband, ha?
You're the one that's evil. Trying to crack your mama's back.
Ay, Diyos mo, Mariman naman, oh. Ito talaga yung mga...
Right?
Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Tingnan nyo yung araw. Ang ganda doon. Super maganda. Oo. Maganda. Mahangin. Until my next video, and God bless everyone. Don't forget, follow and share. Bye-bye. And subscribe me. Yes.